to do little because we don't. Okay. Ooh. Now.
Today we have a special guest with us, and this is my cousin, and her name is Faye.
My name is Faye. This is my cousin named Abigail.
Yeah, and today we're gonna be making ice cream.
Mango ice cream.
We're gonna be making mango ice cream.
And guys, before we get into the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you won't miss none of my videos.
Yes, let's get. Are you
then
happy?
We're going to be making yummy ice cream.
She's so excited, guys.
Yummy mango ice cream.
Okay, good.
So our ingredients is sweetened condensed milk.
Okay, show them your condensed
this is whipping cream.
Show them to. Show it to them.
And then the main part we have.
Yeah. Okay.
The mango.
Okay, we have mango. Okay,
Smells amazing.
And we have
condensed milk.
condensed milk.
Okay, now we're gonna cut the mango into pieces and blend it all together. Okay, are you ready to cut?
Yeah.
I will do the cutting. Okay, you guys watch me. Okay. Okay, guys, we've cut the mango off camera. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna blend. Okay.
I want to put that for this side and
Yeah.
cut it. I want to do that.
Okay. Do it gently.
Nice.
Gently. Okay. Gently. Not all of them. We have to do little because we don't. Okay. Ooh. Now. Hold on. I've not fixed it yet. Wait, they have to see what we're doing. Okay, now we're gonna blend. Wait, let me hold it. Press this one. Press this one. Hey guys. I don't even know what to say in this video. At this point, I was like thinking, what did I get myself into? This my little niece was so... She was so excited to be in this video. Like, this video was all over the place, guys. And she was at Shiny Abigail, and Abigail was not having it at all. Like, if you guys can watch Abigail's face closely, you can tell that she was not that really happy because Faith is taking over her position. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video as we do. Please, if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up for us. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell, and put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post a video. We love you guys. Keep watching, and please help us to share this amazing video. Let Faith know that you guys love her. Okay, I'm going to tell her that because of her, most of you subscribe because of Faith. You guys do this for Faith. Okay, I love you guys. The next step is for us to you open it. Abigail, you open the condensed. Abigail is going to open the condensed milk. Okay. How do you open it? Put this one up. You pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Let's put it together. Ooh, we did it. Then we're going to pour it here. Let's pour it in here.
The people begin just to scream. I built my house, I married my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no get listen and that boy be this again. JSP from Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh. People will not like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody, ooh, yeah. one again. Oh, nobody knows. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this. Now those people never just they call their
Then, wait, move like this so that they can see what we're doing, okay? Look at the camera, Faith. Look at the camera. I'm gonna point inside. Okay, wait, let me get the videos. We're pouring it on this milk. Be careful. Abigail, you go pour this one in for me, okay? Don't do so fast. Then you're going to be pouring. Yeah, pouring. Now we're going to put this on inside. We're going to put the mango inside and we okay, pour it inside. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh, geez. I'm going to go ahead.
I like to do that.
Huh?
I like to do that.
Okay, right now. It's all over.
It's not like the season. It's not like the day.
All over the place. Okay. Just it, not like that. Just on it. Okay, wait, let's show it to it. Let's do it one more time so that okay. Yeah, we're gonna fight. Okay. Now we are going to pour the ice cream inside the bowl. Okay. Wait, hold it. Don't let go. Okay, you do it like this. Gentle. Everything has to be gentle, Faith. Okay. Okay. Well, let me finish it so that we won't make a mess. Okay. Hold on. Bring the cover. Bring the cover. No, that one there. No, give it to her. Take. Okay, let's cover it. Come on, let's cover it. No, now we're gonna just cover it and put it inside the freezer and let it freeze, okay? I want to do the popsicle one. Okay, go and bring the popsicle. Okay, guys, we're going to make some popsicle with some of this cup. Okay, we're going to add some inside this cup and then make a popsicle. I'll pour it, then you put the stick inside. Okay. Wait, it's not, you have to be full.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I do it.
Now, can you do this one? Do the both.
I think that.
Yeah, you do this one. You do that one. Abigail will do this.
Oh, that's fine. I think it's
Wait first. We're gonna Tell them. Let's cover this. We're gonna put them inside the freezer, okay? Okay, guys. Our ice cream is ready.
And we have popsicle.
Look at the popsicle.
Yay!
Then look at the other one. Let's try. Let's open it.
Yummy mango ice cream!
Let's do thumbnail. Show your face. Thumbnail. Okay, these are mango ice cream. And these are popsicle. Don't put your hand. Don't put your hand. It's so easy. Look at the camera. Yeah. Now we're gonna try it. What color do you want?
I want blue.
You want blue?
My favorite color.
Okay, blue.
I want red.
You want red? Okay.
So.
Move back, Abigail. Let's do a thumbnail. Okay, I'll take the. Show it to there.
Mango.
It tastes good.
It tastes good. Let's do thumbnail. Let's do thumbnail. Wait. Look at the camera and say, And then, we your mother. Guys, look at the popsicle. You like it? You like your mango ice cream?
Yeah. But the mango ice cream looks like a marshmallow.
It looks like a marshmallow.
Yeah.
A marshmallow tastes good. That's it, guys. It's so good, so refreshing. Okay. Tell them to subscribe. Tell my friend to subscribe.
Say sign.
Say
Decide.
hit the like button. Say like the video. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of this mango making ice cream. It was fun.
Very fun.
Very fun making this video. Okay, guys, we're done. We'll see you guys in our next video. And please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post a video. We love you guys. And bye from Faith and Abigail. We say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys in our next video. Hope you make your own mango ice cream. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye-bye.
Let's go another thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
And please don't forget to share also. Share to your
Share.
friends.
My mom likes to share so much. So
Share.
Share to your family, friends,
Share.
anyone,
Share. Tell them to
cousins,
share.
nephews, anyone.
Share this video. Tell them to share this video.
No, you tell them.
Outside, okay. Share this video.
Share.
We love you guys.
Picture.
Bye.